when I dropped my phone and then I accidentally swiped K to I and then it said kill. So I recorded this video. I think I'm gonna die. Please support me by liking this video. If I don't make videos anymore, you know what happened. Well, this is the end of my video. Please support me because I think I'm gonna, well, goodbye.